colleagues and friends. I am Yulia Maximova, doctor gynecologist from Russia. Honestly speaking, I'm a little bit upset today because our so interesting, so unique course of aesthetic gynecological surgery is almost over. There were absolutely unforgettable 3 days of very tough and interesting work. Our mentors and teachers, whose leader is Dr. Süleyman, they gave us absolutely unique information and skills because they are really a team of very highly educated specialists who gave us all information with open heart, and we could receive from them their skills hand to hand.
I'm Dr. Nawal. I'm Sudanese consultant working in Saudi Arabia in Süleyman Eserdağ Hospital. I have interest in aesthetic gynae surgery, and I have many patients and conducting vaginal deliveries and doing surgeries like posterior repair. And I have too much interest in aesthetic gynae surgery because this is a new branch, and many of my patients asking about it, especially about after this gastric sleeve surgery. Many patients reduce weight and they have lax and wrinkled vulva, vagina, and they're asking about such cosmetic surgeries.
My name is Mender Hafiz. I'm an obstetrician gynecologist and a urogynecologist. I practice also minimal invasive surgery. My experience with the course was tremendous, and I was very excited. The aesthetic surgery is actually a field. Female aesthetic surgery is a very new and evolving field. Everybody in the world is talking about it, and the patients are coming. Female patients are coming, and they're actually knocking the doors and asking about these things. So I decided that I would like to do this properly and get trained. The organization of this course is maybe my opinion is going to be biased, but honestly, it was excellent.
Süleyman Bey'in kursuna gelmeden önce çok defalar düşündüm. En sonunda karar verdim ve katıldım. Çok da keyif aldım. Çok aklımıza takılan bir sürü net olmayan şeyler vardı. Yaptığımız operasyonlar belki ama daha ehli ellerden görmek güzel oldu.
Medine Gonca, Gaziantep'ten katıldım. Kurstan beklentilerim hangi vakaya, hangi operasyonu uygun görebiliriz? Zarar vermeden en iyi hedefe nasıl gidebiliriz? Şu turlardaki püf noktaları, en iyi alet hangisi ve aletlerden beklentimiz, bisküviden beklentimizin üstüne çıkabiliyor mu? Deneyimlerden faydalanmak.
Ben Minnet Abayelza Yusuf kızı, Azerbaycan'dan Bakü'den geldim. Buraya büyük beklentilerle geldim. Süleyman Hoca'nın, Didem Hoca'nın yanına. Genital estetik cerrahi ameliyatları yapmak için, daha rahat olmak için hem onun teorisini hem de işte pratik olarak yapılmasını daha güzel yapmak için buraya geldim.
Ben Ülviye Güdratı var, Azerbaycan'dan katılıram. Azerbaycan'da qadın doğumcu çalışıram. Bugünkü bura qatılma səbəbim yeni tekniklərin öyrənilməsi və yeni bilgilərin əldə edilməsidir.
Hi, I'm Özge Karnamanoğlu from Turkey. I would like to thank to the ISAGSS team and especially to Dr. Süleyman, Dr. Eserdağ and Dr. Didem. It was a very fruitful course, and I had no idea before I came here.
Hello, I'm Alejandro Maluf Torres. I'm a urologist and I come from Spain. I'm doing genital aesthetic surgery, and I came here with the expertise for working with a good team of surgeons. I think it's one of the best team of the world. and I had good expectancy and I have a good result. We can assist in a lot of important and detailed surgeries, and we can ask all that we want. We can have all the information that we need, and I think at the end my expectancy is overhead. Thanks.
Hello, I'm Dr. Hassan Rashid. I work in Saudi Arabia in Riyadh, the Süleyman Eserdağ Hospital. Actually, I came to this course to know more and new modalities in estetic gynecology, and it was a very informative course. I learned a lot of it, and the community and the group was very nice. Actually, it was a really nice experience. I recommend everyone to come to experience this.
I came to Istanbul with my friend to attend this course. Alhamdulillah, it is very useful. This is the last day, the first day about lectures. We learn a lot about the about the labioplasty. There are 2-3 techniques about labioplasty done by Dr. Süleyman and Dr. Maji, the Polish doctor.
Benim için iyi oldu mu? Hakikaten çok iyi oldu. Olması gereken bir eğitimdi. Bunu gönülden söylüyorum. Hepsine teşekkür ederim.
Süleyman Hoca'ya ve onun etrafındaki bütün görevini yapan herkese teşekkürümü bildirdim.
I learned so many things from them. I am so excited to start to perform the things that I learned here on my patients. Thank you very much.
Çok faydalıydı. Ekip de keyifliydi. Güzel bir kurs oldu.
Beklentilerimi alabildim burada yani. Nasıl diyeyim, ilk önce teori olarak, daha sonra ise pratik olarak bizi çok iyi yetiştirdiler. Daha güvenli, daha güzel, daha rahat çalışmak olacak bence. İnşallah Bakü'ye, Azerbaycan'a dönünce daha rahat cerrahi bu işlemleri yapabilirim diye ümit ediyorum.
I want to say here that my hopes and expectations justified for sure even more. And I will recommend for all my colleagues who are interested in gynecological aesthetic surgery to visit this course because it's really unique. I can say them for sure because I usually travel all over the world to get such information. But this course, it's totally unique. So I wish Dr. Süleyman, his family and his team well-being and health and beauty for his patients. Thank you.